Sure, let's break down the code. 1. Bubble sort function, bubble sort asterisk. This function takes two parameters, an integer array, arranged by and its size, and It iterates over the array using two nested loops to compare adjacent elements. In each iteration, it compares the current element with the next one. If the current element is greater than the next one, it swaps them. This process is repeated until the array is sorted. 2. Main function, asterisk. In the main function, an integer array arranged by is declared and initialized with some values, 64, 34, 25, 12, 22, 11, 90, The size of the array and is calculated using the size of operator, which determines the total number of bytes occupied by the array divided by the size of a single element, size of, arranged by, 0, The original array is printed using a loop that iterates over each element of the array and prints it. The bubble sort function is called with the array arranged by and its size and as arguments, which sorts the array in ascending order. After sorting, the sorted array is printed in the same way as the original array. 3. Output, asterisk. The program will print the original array before sorting and the sorted array after sorting. 4. Bubble sort algorithm, asterisk. The bubble sort algorithm works by repeatedly stepping through the list, comparing adjacent elements, and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. This process is repeated until the list is sorted. In each iteration, the largest or smallest, depending on the sorting order, element bubbles up to its correct position. Overall, this program demonstrates how to implement and use the bubble sort algorithm to sort an integer array in C++.